When we need to remotely update the display screen and send programs, we need to use the Xiaohui Cloud Platform to operate. First, visit the Xiaohui Cloud Platform through the browser to register an account. Fill in the correct registration information. After registration is complete, open the Magic Layer software. Use the remote control to click the menu button, or click on any corner of the display 4 times with the mouse. Enter the Magic Layer menu interface. First, we need to connect the Android board to an external network. Click Network. Network cable to connect directly to the device or connect to Wi-Fi. Next, click System Mode. Set the system mode to cloud networking. Check the server address and enter the registered username. Click Preservation. Back to Xiaohui Cloud Platform. You can view the bound devices in the device list. Green means the device is online. Before sending the program, we need to upload the source to the Xiaohui Cloud Platform. First, click Source. Upload materials. Click on Program when you're done uploading. LCD Program. New Program. Setting the program resolution. Program resolution needs to match device resolution. Enter the program editing interface. Xiaohui Cloud Platform supports adding image, videos, text, and other programs. You can drag and drop the program playback area to change the playback position. Click the plus button on the right to add material. Save and off. Check the program and click Send. Check the device. Additional update. Add the program to the original program list of the device. Complete update. After the program is released, the original programs in the device will be deleted and only the program in the current list will be retained. Finally, click Send. You can check the program delivery status in the log. Click Details. After the program is released, programs can be shown on the display.